This very clean 1972 Plymouth Cuda came here to the V8 Speed Resto Shop to get some maintenance items and performance upgrades done, and we thought we would share it with you before we send it home. When you open the hood on this car, it's an interesting mix of traditional and modern stuff that is hidden in plain sight. It looks like a 340, except when you read that sticker, it says 340 fuel injection. So underneath that big air cleaner is a Holley Sniper EFI system sitting on an intake manifold that's aluminum, bolted to a set of Edelbrock Performer aluminum cylinder heads. It's got a high-performance camshaft in it, and we did a few other things like add a set of headers to it, some plugs and wires, a dual sync distributor, and a new aluminum radiator. And all of these upgrades were made in the name of reliable street performance. This isn't necessarily a race car, but it now has modern car reliability thanks to the fuel injection and better cooling and a little more power. One of the coolest things about this car is the way it looks. I love the shiny black paint offset by the satin Cuda 340 billboard stripe on the quarter and the door. And it's got just the right amount of trim, the chrome rally mirrors. Also, you'll notice an upsized Chrysler rally wheel up front. These are a YearOne 17-inch wheel wrapped with BF Goodrich performance tires, and it's hiding a disc brake setup so that it stops and handles a little bit better than original, but it doesn't lose that original Cuda look. The interior is a nice mix, again, of stock and modified. So while it was here, we upfitted the dashboard with a new gauge surround made of carbon fiber appearing material and loaded it with some AutoMeter gauges. These are from the muscle car line. The steering wheel's been replaced. It's an original style, but it's nice and fresh and new. And the high back bucket seats, well, they always look good in houndstooth. So now we have a great looking muscle car with a classic look, but some modern performance upgrades and increased reliability. Doesn't really get much better than that. Let us know if you'd like some of these improvements made to your muscle car, and we're happy to help. You can find us at v8speedshop.com. Check out this fuel injection start. Ready? All day, every day.